Okay. We are coming here, Porter, Indiana, and we are at Shelton Fireworks today. And this is going to be probably the artillery section slash a little bit of everything. They got stuff all over the place here. But regular tube racks and everything they got here for about $30 a pop. Get them all pre-made, or you can make them yourself. For someone just kind of lazy or whatever you want to call it, I guess. A lot of people have them. I know. So I think, let's see, what do we got here? So just this one right here is $27.95. 2 rows is about $43.95, and then 3 rows is about $70. So pick and choose. That's usually what I would do, but I know there's a lot of places out there that make racks now. Great Lakes, they make some real good stuff. Pyro Boom, I know they make stuff, but you're better off just getting the tubes and kind of making them yourself. I know a lot of pyros do that, but this place does offer them if you just don't want to, or I know there was a shortage on tubes for a while, but they got some. So we're gonna move on over here. We got some Loud and Mighty artillery stuff here. $5.49. Some Shark Slayer by Legend. 12 shells? Yeah, 12 shells in there for $21.95. We got some Mississippi Gambler Nishiki Willow shells for $32.95. Got Alien Presents over here, $23.49. Whole bunch of them. Queen Quad, some peanuts, $32.95. 6 pieces. We got I'm Single, 12 shells, 12 effects for $22.95. Got 48 shells, jumbo pack, $53.95. Bunch of ball shells. Rolling over here. You got Fireball XL5, $24.95. We got King Quad. So there's Queen, this is the King. 6 piece, $32.95. Come on over here. Mad Hornet, biggest boom around jumbo, about $21. Some more Mad Hornet cannon shells. These are all cannon shells. $23.95. I don't know what the difference is between that one and that one. $3 difference, but that's the only thing I can see. Some Matador shells. El Toro, $23.95. We got some more Mississippi Gambler, $27.95. Come on over here. Some more El Toro ball shells, $24.89. Big Warpath, $27.95. 2 mortar tubes, 12 assorted effects. Some Warhead torpedoes, $24.95. Whistling Buster. I might be getting a couple of these. I remember something like that from my childhood. If I might have been something different. $8.49 for a pack. We got some artillery shell crackling, $8.29. Got Can Do by El Toro, $8.79. We got Mobster Artillery, 6 shots, $9.49. We got Whistling Buster, $8.69. And we got some more El Toro shells, $8.95. And over here, Festival Balls, $6.89. Make our way on over here. Got some Roman candles off to my left here. Got some Saturn missiles here. 800 shots by Black Avenger, $92.95. Same thing. I got a bunch of them. And 180 shots of the jumbo Saturn missiles, $60. Come over here. Got some cans. Viking Thunder, $200. 60-gram canister shells, 60 shells, 10 tubes. That's a pretty decent pack. Got Dragon Buster by Shelton Fireworks. I'm looking for a price. It's up top up there. Looks like 105. We got Black Avenger, 54 shells, $94.95. You got a whole different variety in there. You got some balls, you got some peanuts. Whole different types. Tsunami mortar shells by Mad Hornet. Where's the price? $89.95. We got some giant can-do mortars. 54 shells, $89.95. Some more Dragon Busters here. We got Alien Presence shells. 18 max load. $70. 3 tubes. We got Big Chief. 36 shells. $134. 5-inch shells. Best Mississippi Gambler, 48 shells. Where are we at here? $160. We got some Black Avenger Superpower shells, $66.95. We got the Godfather assortment over here, It's $205.95. Got some peanuts, got some cans. I think there's some ball shells. Doubles, triples, quads, and big breaks. That's a pretty cool set. Come on around over here. Kind of wraps up the artillery section over here. But yeah, that's our kind of little report from Shelton Fireworks here in Porter, Indiana. And yeah, we're getting a couple more videos for you guys. Until then, see you in the next one.